Number 3. Question number 1. Complete the following questions. X power 2 and y power 2 lies in the first quadrant. Okay, first quadrant, positive and positive. Write first in the space. Question number 2. The positive square root of verge of the squares of division of values from their mean. We called it standard division. Question number 3. If E over B equals 7 over 4, then 4 product by A over B, it will be 7. We can put 4 times A, the product of extremes equal product of means. E times 4, it will be 4A over B, it will be 7, then the result will be 7. Question number 4. If y power 2 subtract by 4xy plus 4x power 2 equal 0, we can write the relation between x and y. We have x and y. You can write the first y and write the sign here negative. Square root of 4x power 2, it will be 2x all power 2, and write 0. Then put the square root from left hand side, right hand side. Then y minus 2x will be 0. Then the value of y equal what? Y equal to x. You can write variance inversely with it's direct is a variance with y and x. Variance direction with y and x. Okay. Then you can write x here. Question number 5. If x and x plus 41 are two prime numbers, then x here will be 2. 2 and 2 plus 1, 3, then the result will be 43. We called it 43. The value of x here equal to. And we know any prime number has only 2 factors, can divide it by itself and 1 only. So we must put x equal to here. Smallest even prime number was 2. Question letter E. If x set of 2, then x2, it's meaning it's Cartesian product between itself. We can write set of 2 product by 2, then the result will be set of 2 and 2. Next example, choose the correct answer. Number 1, the first portion of the quantities. We have 21 and 15 and 35. Put x here and write x over 21 equal 15 over 35, and then the value of x equal the product of extremes equal product of means. Put the rule here. Then I am going to find the result of x by find the product between 15 and 21, and then divide the result by 35. Then you can write the result here by divided by 7, divided by 5 equals 7, divided by 5 equals 3, 21 divided by 7 equals 3, 3 times 3 equals 9. Then the value of x here will be 9. Choose letter D. Number 2, if 4x power 2 equal 9y power 2, we can find the relation between x and y. X power 2 over y power 2, x power 2 times 4, and y power 2 times 9. And then you can write x over y by put the square root of 9 over 4 and write the sign positive and negative. 3 over 2. The result will be positive or negative 3 over 2. Next example. Question number 3. If root 2 times root 3 and root 5 root 6, root 7 times root 8 equal 12 times root 70. He won't find root 3 times root 5 times root 6 times root 7 times root 8 times root 7 times root 8 times root 10. Okay, you can cancel them from this equation and divide it by root 2 here. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will be 12 root 70 over root 2 by divided by 2, and then put here in this expression it will be 12 root 70 over root 2 here times root 10. and we can write root 10 times root 70 will be root of 700 over root 2. 700, you can write 10 outside, times 12, it will be 120 over root 2, times 7, root 7. And then you can cancel root 2 by times root 2 numerator and denominator, write 2 in numerator, and write 120 times 2 times 7 equal 14. Then the result will be 120 divided by 2, it will be 60 root 30. Okay, it's the result. Again, in this example, he give us this information, give us root 2 times all this expression equal 12 root 70. I divided by 2 left hand side and right hand side. And this expression, I put root 3 times root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, cancel them, and write the value here in the result, right here, product by root 10. And simplest them, the result will be 60 root 40. Question number 4. We have set of x equal 1 and 2, set of y was 0. We want to find number product Cartesian between x and y. We have 2 and 1. The result will be 2 element, and 1 element 2 times 1 equal 2. This is number of product Cartesian between x and y. Question number 5. The point A and 3 lies on the straight line which represents the function f from r to r, where f of x was equal 4x minus 5. Put x equal a and y equal 3. X equal a here, then f of a will be 4 product over 8 will be 4a minus 5. The result will be y, it will be y, okay, y equal 3. Then 4a minus 5 equal 3, you can find the value of a. Moved 5 here, then 4a will be 5 plus 3 equal 8, and then divided by 4, then the value of a equal 2. Question number 6. Set of the greatest description in this file sets here what. Question number 6, you can thinking about the result. Look at letter what, you can find the range about letter A and letter B and letter C and letter D, and the greatest value, it will be reversed to the greatest depression. Look at letter A, you can find the range. We find the difference between two numbers. We have 36, its number here 36, and the smallest number was 70. And the letter B, you can find the range by greatest number and smallest number. The greatest number here was 41, subtracted by smallest number 26. And the range about letter C, 39 minus 5. And letter D, the range equal 43. The greatest number subtracted by smallest number here was 90. Find the difference between all of them. It will be 34, and 30 minus 9 will be 4, 3 minus 1 equal 2, 11 minus 6 will be 5, 3 minus 2 1, 16 minus 7 equal 9, 2 minus 1 equal 1. Then the result will be letter C. The range was 34, the greatest expression here. Then the set of sets which has the greatest expression in the following sets, choose letter C, because the range will be the greatest from largest number and smallest number. Next example, letter number 3. If 3a equal 2p, 3 letter A, we have 3a equal twice p. You want to find the value of 3a subtract by p over 2a minus p. We can put 3a right here, a over p, okay, and a product by 3. We use the rule, the product of extremes equal product of means. a times 3 and b times 2, and then you can write constant here m outside, then a over b, it will be 2 over 3, write m here and m here, and m not equal 0. Okay, then the value of a, it will be 2m, and the value of b equals 3m. Then you can find the value of this expression, 3a minus b over 2a minus b. 3 product by e, 2 times 3 equals 6 m, and negative b 3m. 2 times a, 2 times 2 equal 4m, subtract by b, 6 minus 3 equal 3m, and 4 minus 3 equal 1m. Then the value it will be 3. The result here about this example, it will be 3. Okay, next example, if f of x was equal x power 2 subtract by x plus 3, you want to find f of negative 2 and f of 1 and f of 0. Put x equal negative 2 here, negative 2 power 2 plus here it will be positive, negative times negative equal positive 2 plus 3, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 equal 9. Put 1 here, 1 power 2 1 minus 1 plus 3, 1 minus 1 0, 0 plus 3 equal 3, put 0, the result will be 3. Okay, this is the image about this function. Next example here, if y is the middle proportional between x and z, prove that x z over, okay, we want to prove that left hand side equal right hand side about this question number 4. First step, y is the middle between what? Between x and z. Put m here, then x will be zm power 2, and m constant not equal 0, and y will be equal zm. Look at left hand side here, we have x product by z over y product by y plus z. Put x zm power 2 and put z product by z, and y equals zm, y equals zm plus z, z times z, we can cancel z by z, and m power 2 by m. Then the result will be, we have z over zm plus z, and you can cancel z by z by z, write z between them, write common factor again. Then the result will be m over m plus 1. Cancel z by z by z. Okay, write m over m plus 1, and right hand side here, x over x plus y, put the value of x equals zm power 2, and x was z2 plus y equals zm. You can cancel z by z by z, write z the height common factor between them, or write zm product by m over zm height common factor to be m plus 1. You can cancel zm by zm, and the result will be m over m plus 1. It's relation number 1. Relation number 2, there are equality. Question letter B. If y equal 1 plus b, here b is the variance inversely as square of x. Variance inversely between b, variance inversely of x. Okay, b variance inversely with square root of x. So meaning b equal m over x power 2. We put m not equal 0, it's a constant. Then y equal 1 plus b, b equal m over x power 2. He give us here y equals 17 at x equal half. Y was equal 17, but y equal 17 when x equal half. Then move the 1 to left hand side, will be 16 equal m over half power 2, it will be 1 over 4. Then m equal 4 times by 16, then the value of m will be 4. 16 divided by 4 equal 4. Then you can write the relation between y and x. Y equal 1 plus 4 over x power 2. Okay, and then you want to find the value of y when x equal to 4 over 4, then y equal 1 plus 1 equal to, then the value of y will be equal to. Okay, understood? First you must find the relation between x and y by find the value of m here equal 4, and then put x equal half power 2 fourths, then the value of x was half power 2 fourths. Okay, x will be half, moved here. Okay, 17 minus 1 16, m over fourths, m equals 16 times fourths equal 4, the constant was 4 here, and then put x equal 2 power 2 4, you can find the value of y when x equal 2, then y will be equal to. Question 5. R is a relation when n set of natural number, a relation with b, meaning a product by b equal 18. Okay, for all a belonging to a natural number and b belonging to a natural number, then you can find the relation about natural number in number line, because we have 1 times 18 equal 18, and 2 times 9 equal 18, and 3 times 6 equal 18. You can replace 6 and 3 again, and 9 times 2 again, and 18 times 1 again. And you can draw a number line here to put all the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, and going to 18. Okay, and moved to the image 9, and again 9 to 2, 3 by 6, and 6 by 3, 1 times 18, and 18 times 1. Okay, understood? Next example. Calculate the arithmetic mean and standard deviation. You can solve this example, it's very easy. You can find the mean and draw the table. Okay, question number C. Letter C is the ratio between the positive integers 3 to 7. Okay, if the number 5 is subtracted from each of them, first we can put the first number will be 3x and the second number will be 7x, which x is a constant, not equals 0. We can write 3x over 7x, subtract from the first, subtract 5 from each of them. Okay, then the result will be equal third. You can simplify to find the value of x and put the first number and this number 7x the second. You can find the first here by product. The rule, product of extremes equal product of means. 3 times 3 equal 9, 3 times 5 equal 15, 1 times 7x equals 7x, 1 times 5 equal 5, 7x subtract from 9x it will be 2x, and move the here negative 5 plus 15 it will be 10, then the value of x will be 5. Then the first number will be what? 3 times 5 it will be 15, and second number 7 times 5 equals 35. Then we have two numbers here, 15 and 35.